everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add and use your Visa gift card on Amazon for your next purchase. First thing first, open up your Amazon app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap onto your account to open your account settings. Here you'll see a gear icon. Then find and select payment method. This is where you have saved cards and payment option are stored. I don't have any Visa cards, so I will be guiding you with my instruction. Now you will be in your payment method section. To add your Visa card, tap add a payment method. Here you will see your Visa card details including the card number, expiry date and security code. Make sure the billing address you enter matches the one associated with your Visa gift card. Some cards may require the billing address to be filled out. If you want to make your Visa card your default payment method, you can select it as the primary payment option by tapping Set a Default. This means your Visa card will automatically be used for your next purchase. Once you have added the card, go ahead and shop like usual. When you are ready to check out, head to your card and click Proceed to Checkout. On the payment page, you will see your Visa card listed as one of your payment options. Just select your Visa card option and your order will be charged to the card. And that's it. That's how you can easily use your Visa card. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.